Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how to print a Excel file. So if you saw with Microsoft Excel, it's a little bit complicated sometimes to print an Excel file, especially if you have big databases. Sometimes the format will not be that nice. So if we take a quick example, let's say I'm working with a database that is this big. So we're just gonna create something like this. And we're gonna generate, let's say we're gonna generate random numbers that will be between 1 and 50. So let's say I wanna print this whole database. So as you can see here, I have random numbers everywhere. And let's say I want to print all these numbers. So if I decide to print all these numbers, what's gonna happen is that it's going to appear on multiple pages. It's a little bit complicated to have to work with the right format. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna see how you can format your pages in order to print, to make them look a little bit better when you print your pages. All right. So the way it's gonna work, it's pretty simple. First thing, simply click on the view part right here. Once you have clicked on it, what you can do is that you will be able to see the page layout. So how exactly this would look like. So as you can see here, this is the database that I had a little bit before. So this is what it pretty much looks like if I want to print it. So what's interesting right now is that I can, not that I can fix it, but I can try to make it fit in the amount of pages that I want. So in this case, for example, if I want to put all those elements inside of one page, I can, for example, make my columns a little bit smaller, and it will fit in more than one page. So this is really an easy way for you to be able to understand, to be able to print your documents just using the page layout function that is just here. Another way that you can do this, let's come back to normal. Once you have selected the page layout, when you have clicked on the page layout element, as you can see here, there are little lines that have appeared. So those little lines will tell you exactly on what page you are. So as you can see, those little lines divide the pages. So this should be page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, etc. All right. So this is basically for when you want to print on Microsoft Excel. Next thing, let's say you decide to work with this page, this page right here. So we'll just take this, we'll delete it, and here we go. Now let's say we want to work right here. Once again, we want to create a database that will be here, and I want to print this, and I decide to print this, so I'll just make it a little bit bigger. So I want to print this part. How exactly can I print it? So pretty simple. You can simply click Control P. So on your keyboard, it's going to be, I'll just make it bigger. So it's going to be CTRL plus P. You want to click on those buttons at the same time. Once you have clicked on Control P, what's going to happen is that the print screen button will appear. So it's going to look like this. So you want to print this part. You want to print this part. A good way also to see what exactly it will look like, what your document will look like, is printing your document in PDF. So this is what I do always. So I have my database that I want to print, and I'm going to print it on PDF first. So you simply go here, you have the list of all your printers, and you simply click on Microsoft Print to PDF. This way your document will be saved as a PDF, and you will be able to see what the document looks like on a printed paper. And if you like it, then you can simply print the PDF that you have generated with this little technique. So this is basically how you can print a document on Microsoft Excel. So if you appreciated this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.